Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look, inspired kind of by this rose, I guess Beauty and the Beast, I was thinking more like, with this colorful red lip. Plus, there's a bonus! My mom is going to be doing my voiceover. I was so excited to film this, and as you can see here, I was like, how's it going to go? I have a feeling it's going to be funny, but she'll do good, and here's my mom, you guys, so be prepared.
Hey guys, this is Brenda's mom, or Bree's mom. Okay, I'm putting on foundation, patting it in. Yeah, pat it, get it all in. Smoothing it out. Voila. Now she's gonna put on some concealer underneath her eyes. She's dabbing it in. Making funny faces. Okay, now she's gonna put on some powder. Patting it. Now she's gonna put some eyeshadow on her eyes, making them all white. Some brown eyeshadow. She's mixing it all in. Now she's just blending it all out. Gonna put some more powder on. This is my first time ever doing this. Whoa, look, that went everywhere. Whoa. She's patting it out. She's baking her face. I think that's what this is called. Just gonna let it sit on there for a while. Yeah. Now she's gonna mix it all in and blend it out. Now she's putting on some mascara. Get it down in there. Now she's doing the other eyeball. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, now she messed up. Oh. Oh, we've all had those days. Oh no. Oh. Time to get out the wipey. Now she's gonna put on the lips. Ooh, pretty red. Making sure she just gets it all over her lips. Oh, it looks real pretty. Her lipstick looks real pretty and smooth and creamy. Now she's gonna put on this. It's like a bronzer. too much. Just blend it out. You can always go back over with powder with that though. Yeah, just smear it in. Yeah, see, she's going back with a little bit of powder. Yeah, she's putting it all over her chin and down her throat. Just working it out. Now she's putting some contour on the nose. Now she's blending it out a little bit more. Now she's going to put on a little bit of highlighter. Highlight them cheeks. Yeah, she's glazing a donut. Now she's glazing her nose. Whoa! Now she's gonna shine it and spray this stuff on there to make it stay. Okay, she's setting it. Alrighty, well, it was nice talking with y'all. Goodbye.
Guys, did my mom do awesome or what? She was funny, but also look at that. This is the end result. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Mom, for doing the voiceover. It was funny. Give it a thumbs up. I love you. And I'm sending all my hugs to you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.